Welcome back to Deutsches Autoservicecenter. Today we want to show you the Resonator delete job that we did on this BMW 750i. We started by separating the resonator from the rest of the exhaust system and measuring its length. Then we replace it with an X-pipe that we fabricated from 304 grade stainless steel, which can withstand rust and heat much better than other commonly used metals. The X-pipe goes through fine cutting to ensure perfect clearance with the rest of the exhaust system, so it does not introduce rattling when it experiences vibrations on the road. Once the measurements are within check, the fun part starts. The old resonator is cut out completely, and the new X-pipe is welded onto the exhaust system to replace the old resonator. Finally, the exhaust system is bolted back onto the vehicle and the owner can enjoy the sound the 750 makes. Thank you for watching. Consider leaving a like and subscribing, or follow our page on Instagram for more.